Okay, so welcome to our cooking show. Today we are going to be making, attempting, I'm pretty sure this will come out well, blueberry muffins. And MJ's gonna teach me. She is actually pretty good at cooking.
I'm doing dishes.
So yeah, we're just gonna get the ingredients and teach y'all how to make it, so you can make it too. Call it the quarantine muffins. So last time MJ made chocolate chip muffins. She made chocolate chip muffins, but this time we're making blueberry muffins. Here are the ingredients that we need. We need flour, white sugar, baking powder, teaspoon salt, milk, vegetable oil, eggs, blueberries, and the last but not least, we need the brown sugar.
White sugar.
Guys, we ran out of salt. We need the salt.
It's fine.
We need the salt.
This is a mixture of sugar and brown sugar.
Can y'all see us? Quarantine cooking, baking. Sometimes I don't want to be happy.
Ew.
What is this? One way to find out. Can you smell that? Oh! Okay. Oh! You gonna try it again?
Yeah!
Now the cooking begins. Sorry about that. I need to actually bend down because I'm too tall for this. Step is preheating the oven.
Doing that.
Okay, this is now what we're doing.
We need to get 1 cup. Scoop it really full,
Ooh, fluffy like a bunny.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is so satisfying.
Wait, don't hold it that way.
Guys, look at that.
Okay.
Okay, now we're
And
gonna
then dump it in. Yeah, 1 more. Fill it all the way.
Yeah.
Hold it down. And 2. And that's it. And after that, 1/2 cup of white sugar.
Hey. Oh, did we wash our hands?
1/2 cup.
Well, I did.
I did.
Oh, my hands are powdery. Oh, I missed. Epic dog.
No.
Put in here?
Yeah.
Oh.
You need a 1/2 cup.
You tell me what. There's a lot of sugar.
Okay, that's fine. Hold up. A little more. Okay, good.
That is a lot of sugar.
Oh, Annie, we're not having all the sugar. We're just consuming 1 of those muffins.
Oh, you're
that
right.
have that much sugar.
So satisfying to touch.
No, don't touch it.
But no, don't touch it.
For this, when you scoop it, you have to scoop it sideways and then pull it against the roof so it's smooth like that.
Oh.
Careful.
That's it?
No, 3.
Oh. 2, 3.
Let's add the blueberry.
Now, you guys can add whatever you want, but we're adding blueberries in.
Hey, this is not 4. We need 3 of these. Fill it to the brim.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't get. I'm stuck. Now this is what happened.
So-called salt.
Now, salt.
1/2 teaspoon. Teaspoon.
Now you need 1/2 teaspoon. Excuse me.
Dump that in.
Salt ain't good.
And then you can start mixing this well with 1/4
oh gosh. Now we need 1/4 cup of milk. Oh no!
No, don't move it! No! Annie, you're spilling! What are you doing? No, Annie, no, not in there, not in there!
Oh, that would have been nice for now.
This is disastrous.
Now we need 1/3 cup of oil. Cooking legends. Ugh, I'm stuck again. Excellent.
Okay, 1.
Only
Just
one?
1. And give me the shell. Blend well. Maybe you should turn this off for now because you have to mix it well.
Sumo squats!
Okay.
It's cute.
Okay,
I'm having a burping problem. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the mixed liquid into... It looks like banana milk.
Start mixing. It's gonna get a lot tougher.
Right, time-lapse time. I'm sweating. Is it just you?
I'm sweating too. It's hot.
Sumo squats.
Okay. This looks good.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the muffins in the oven.
Not yet though.
Why?
Don't say that. We have to put them in the cups first.
All right. Y'all can like put some sugar on the top if you want to make it more sugary, but we aren't going to do that.
Careful. Careful.
Oh gosh, I felt like I was gonna burn my face off.
It needs to bake for...
Do 22.
Okay, thank you.
Now, 22 minutes later, the muffins are done.
Ooh, look at this.
Ew.
Oh, it looks really good.
They look really lumpy.